Welcome to the channel, guys. It's your boy Flows, and today we'll be doing a beat breakdown on how I made this Omah Lay type beat in FL Studio with only stock plugins. So without wasting time, let me play the beat for you and then we'll get straight into the breakdown. Let's go. Yeah, so everything you're hearing now is stock plugin, just stock plugin. So don't worry, I'm going to break down everything for you, so don't disturb yourself. This is like the bridge of the beat, so let's do the breakdown. Okay, so we're going to start with the drums. Let me solo the drums for you. This is what the drums they sound like. Okay, so let's start with the rims. This is the rim pattern. As you can see, I stacked 3 rims together. If I come to the mixer channel, this is 2, 3, and 4, right? I put them into a bus. I just added parametric EQ and just boosted a little bit of it, and that's basically it. So this is what the pattern is playing. Let's get straight into the next rim, which is this. Then on another rim again. Then this other sound, this bongo sound. So everything so far, this is what they sound like together. So I added another conga again, which is this conga. I forgot to tell you guys, my tempo is 115. 115. That's my BPM. And I added a shaker, which is this shaker. And the last thing for the drums is this hi-hat that I added, which is this. Simple stuff. I just hold my right click and I brought them down. Just brought them down this way. So that the hi-hat is going to fall down, like kind of fall instead of rise. It's going to fall. You understand? Then let's play everything so far. Okay, so to kind of fill up the drums, I added a shaker loop. With the drums, it sounds like this. Okay, so let's get into the melodies. So the melodies is where the real source is, right? So let me show you guys the melody. No, the melodies, they're in two parts. There's this extra melody that is not here, so let me just play it for you guys. Okay, so the very first sound I added for the melody was this pad. I used Morphine. Added was this pad. This is the chord progression for the pad. The name of the preset is Morphine Pad Resonant MC. Pad Resonant MC. And of course, I took it to channel 17 and I added Fruity Parametric EQ just to cut out the lows of the pad. Then the next thing I added was this sound. I used Morphine. And the name of the preset is KBD Soft Key NUC. And this is what it sounds like. I layered it with another sound, which is this fairy bells. It is from Hammer. I think this is Hammer. It's from Hammer. The name of the preset is Fairy Bells. So there are two sounds like this. Okay, for the fairy bells, I added just a high pass. So let's move to the next instrument, which is this sound here. I use Toxic Biohazard. This is my favorite plugin in FL Studio 2. And the preset is Dark Crystal. Dark Crystal. And this is what I played with it. Then I added some effects, which is Parametric EQ, cut out the lows, cut out some highs, and I added some reverb. You can copy these settings, added some reverb to make it sound the way it sounds, just to shape the sound to sound the way I want it to sound. Then another sound I added was the bass. The bass, I got it from Sytrus. The name of the preset is Sub Bars. Sub Bars. So if you go to presets, go to bass, you can see the preset here, sub bars. You can choose sub bars 2 or sub bass 1. Then I added an effect on it, which is this Fruity Fast Distort. I choose the preset so oomph. Then I brought the mix knob down. I added Fruity Limiter to kind of sidechain it to the drums. So yeah. Let me play the bass for you. Okay, so far this is what everything sounds like. Okay, so for this session I added a guitar sample, which is actually this. I just cut out just one part that I liked, which is this sound. that's just the part I like. I just cut that particular place because it's the only part that I want in this beat. And I added some fruity reverb, added some fruity delay to it. Okay, so let's move to the second part, which is the bridge. This is what the bridge sounds like. Okay, so the first thing that is here is the pad. I've already shown you the pad. It's from Morphine. Pad Resonant MC. Pad Resonant MC. I've already shown you the pad. So the next sound is this sound here. And I use Morphine. The name of the preset is PRC Romy Xylophone FG. So if you come to this section here and click on percussions, you can see it here, it's number 11. And this is what I'm playing with it. And for the second sound, so for this preset I'm using Sakura. The name of the preset is KY Lush Keys. KY Lush Keys. So if you go to presets, you go to Sonic Haiku Bank, you will see it. Just look for the KY, you see KY Lush Keys. There are so many amazing presets here that you can try out. And this is what I'm playing with it. So that's basically everything for this beat. If I forget, I also added this Vox here. The rest things are just effects, rolls, and stuff like simple stuff that I just add like ear candies to make the beats keep going. One of them is this sound, this riser. Also added this clap. Added this roll, this stomp. And that's everything for this beat. That's basically everything for this beat. And if you have any questions to ask, please ask it in the comment section. If you want me to address anything, you can also tell me in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe. We're on our way to 1000 subscribers, so please help us in this journey as we try to get to 1000 subscribers. Thank you very much. If you want to work with me, you can contact me. My details are in the description below, so you can always contact me, and let me play the beats for you.